Hey everyone, you've just received a brand new relay card. It's shiny, it's sleek, and it's ready to go. But before you can start using it, you need to activate it. And that's where we come in. Hook. Ever wondered how to activate your relay card online? It's simpler than you might think. Join us as we guide you through the activation process step by step. Building context. Before we dive into the activation process, let's quickly understand what a relay card is. It's a convenient, secure, and versatile prepaid card that allows you to make purchases both online and offline. Think of it as your digital wallet. Main content. Step 1. Locate the activation code. The first step is to find the activation code. This is usually a 16-digit number printed on the back of your card, often under a scratch-off layer. Carefully scratch off the layer to reveal the code. Step 2. Visit the Relay website. Once you have the activation code, head over to the Relay website. You can find the URL on the back of your card or by searching for it online. The website will likely have a clear and easy-to-navigate interface. Step 3. Create an account, if necessary. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a Relay account. This process usually involves providing your basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. The website will guide you through the registration process. Step 4. Start the activation process. After creating your account, look for a section on the website that says Activate Card or something similar. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 5. Enter activation code. You'll be prompted to enter the 16-digit activation code that you found on the back of your card. Double-check the code for accuracy before entering it. Step 6. Follow on-screen instructions. The website will provide specific instructions on the next steps. These might include entering additional details or verifying your identity. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth activation process. Step 7. Confirm activation. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, the website will likely confirm the successful activation of your relay card. You should receive a notification or message indicating that your card is ready to use. Additional tips. Internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the activation process. Card security. Keep your card safe and secure. Never share your activation code or PIN with anyone. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Relay's customer support for assistance. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully activated your Relay card. Now, you can start enjoying the convenience and flexibility it offers. Whether you're shopping online, making payments at stores, or withdrawing cash, your Relay card is ready to go. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping with your Relay card.